So in today's tech tip, let's look at how you can show your caller ID. And by show caller ID, I mean unhide your hidden caller ID. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to phone, tap on that. Under phone, go to show my caller ID. Now, because I'm using a dual SIM iPhone, it's going to give me the option to choose for both the primary SIM card and the secondary SIM card. Let me quickly go to my primary SIM card, and now you should see show my caller ID, and you can see mine is turned off. And that's why when I make phone calls, people cannot see my caller ID. So to unhide or to show caller ID, simply turn that button on. And from now on, when you make phone calls, it will show your caller ID on the recipient's phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.